Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, level requirements, and tools. Once confirmed, head straight to Castaway Beach and begin gathering driftwood and rope. You craft a makeshift pry tool using one iron shard. This lets you access the buried chest. While collecting, prioritize driftwood and rope. Those are bottlenecks. Make sure to loot nearby flotsam and check rock crevices. Doing this fast minimizes respawn conflicts. When you have materials, approach the chest marker and prep for the excavation step. You now excavate the site, strike and clear layers while managing stamina so you don't stagger. Once the chest cavity appears, examine the lock. It's a rune puzzle requiring symbol alignment in a specific sequence. Rotate rings clockwise then counterclockwise to match the pattern you revealed from nearby stones. If the puzzle resets, light a torch and scan the surrounding soil for faint glyphs that indicate the correct order. Keep calm. Methodical turns beat random spins every time. You open the chest and carefully extract the Castaway Keystone. Immediately secure it in your inventory so it won't drop if you're attacked. Next, travel to the nearby shrine and bind the keystone to finalize the acquisition. This activates the item and records progress. If the chest locks or the keystone fails to appear, relight all torches around the excavation, re-examine glyphs for a miss symbol, and repeat the precise rotation sequence. These fixes resolve most lock glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.